What I hope I did here is layered these deer so we can have a good number of deer, a good number of doe families, different doe families that are not related, and still have the buck. The bucks are going to be there, especially during the rut in this area. This area has known for, especially in parts of Michigan, older bucks, because there's a 4,000 acres to our north that can't be hunted. So deer are able to get older here, the bucks especially, just simply because of that. Now there's no food value there. However, this is going to really attract them out. So I layered this property with all these fingers of trails, like this trail here, leading from either a bedding area or the back or the neighbors, and leading out to this main food plot. But the main food plot runs long. It stretches almost the entire property east to west. I'm hoping that deer over here aren't even going to see deer over there. They will. They are going to interact, but they're going to interact once they get to these established, this established plot. Now I do have another plot, like there's a 1 acre plot over there that's separated, and there's a couple smaller plots on the north end of this, because I kind of segmented the property into two as well. It's going to take a while for the deer generations to get used to this. Hopefully I've separated the deer families, and also I didn't do it necessarily on this. It may happen, but the south end of this property is hopefully for bucks to live. It's a little bit wetter, it's lower, and it's thicker. And I'm hoping that it gets nasty, nasty thick. That's where the deer were anyway. And there's kind of a pinch point between this lake and this swamp over here. So they naturally kind of walk through there or run through there. But I'm hoping they live there eventually. And all these deer can kind of live together socially. That's the goal anyway in the long run. And I know it usually takes about 10 years or so to see the results, but we're doing this quick. The owners are older gentlemen, and I needed to transfer this quick, and they were on board to try to make it happen.